Breath by breath is how we get through. Breath by breath, just me and you. Don't think about tomorrow, don't think about yesterday. Just breath by breath until the day. You don't have to solve anything tonight. You don't have to figure out what's right. Just breathe in and then breathe out again. Breath by breath is how we win. Breath by breath, my heart slows down. Breath by breath, the worry crown of your tired head releases its grip. Breath by breath on this long trip. Breath by breath, through the dark hours. Breath by breath, find your powers to just keep going without solving a thing. Breath by breath, until morning's ring. Breathe in for 4, hold for 2. Breathe out for 6 and see what it'll do to your nervous system, to your tight chest. Breath by breath, and let your heart rest. This is what the monks have known for ages. This is what the yogis write on their pages. Breath is the way through the night and the storm. Breath by breath is how we transform. Breath by breath, and the heart slows down. Breath by breath, and the worried crown of your tired head releases its grip. Breath by breath on this long trip. Breath by breath, through the dark hours. Breath by breath, find your powers to just keep going without solving a thing. Breath by breath until morning's ring. Forget about sleeping for just 1 hour. Just focus on breathing in the quiet flower of attention to body instead of the mind. Breath by breath, be kind to yourself in the tower of wakefulness. Your body is doing what it can in this mess of insomnia or worry or whatever it is. Breath by breath is the gift to give. In 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is how we get through the mix of feelings and thoughts that keep us awake. Breath by breath, for our own sake. Breath by breath, the hours will pass. Breath by breath, the night won't last. through the night, breath by breath, until light. The hour before dawn is always the darkest. The hour before dawn and the hardest part of any sleepless night is right before light. The hour before dawn, and I'll fight. But it's also when the first birds wake, the first birds that take a chance on the dark sky with their tiny song. The hour before dawn comes along. The hour before dawn holds a promise. The hour before dawn, and our solemnness about making it through another long night. The hour before dawn, toward the light. The hour before dawn, we've almost made it. The hour before dawn, don't lay it. At the feet of despair, we've come too far. The hour before dawn, in the morning star, I can hear the milk truck down the block somewhere. I can hear the paper man with his early care, forgetting the news to everyone's door. The hour before dawn, a working class chore. The world is starting to stir into life. The hour before dawn becomes a song night that cuts through the worst of the sleepless dark. The hour before dawn has its own mark. The hour before dawn holds a promise. The hour before dawn, and our solemnness about making it through another long night. The hour before dawn, toward the light. The hour before dawn, we've almost made it. The hour before dawn, don't lay at the feet of despair. We've come too far. The hour before dawn, in the morning star. And when the sun finally tips over the horizon, the hour before dawn becomes a kind of weapon against future sleepless nights, knowing we survive. The hour before dawn, and rise. You can survive whatever it is that's keeping you up. The hour will phase out and become just another memory. The hour before dawn is temporary. The sky is changing, just a hint of gray. The the blackness loosening its grip on the day that's coming, whether we're ready or not. The hour before dawn with its flaw. The hour before dawn will pass too. The hour before dawn, so will you. Through to the morning and the coffee and toast. The hour before dawn, and we will both. The hour before dawn, light is coming. The hour before dawn, hear the humming. The hour before dawn, we made it through. The hour before dawn. Me and you. Sleep, my love, the night is yours. Sleep, my love, behind closed doors, where I can't reach you, but love can travel. Sleep, my love, let the worry unravel. You've been away for too many hours. You fought your demons with your own power. Now lay down the sword and put your sleep on. Sleep, my love, until the dawn. Sleep, my love, you don't have to do anything. Sleep, my love, the world will keep turning, with or without you, for the next few hours. Sleep, my love, use your powers. Sleep, my love, your eyelids heavy. Sleep, my love, and the night ready to carry you through to the morning light. Sleep, my love, and you'll be alright. I've sat with you through these long hours. I've whispered words through these flowers of insomnia and worry, and the 3rd a.m. blue. Sleep, my love, I'm here with you. But now my work is mostly done. Now I just have to wait for the morning sun to take over the watch while you take your rest. Sleep, my love, you've passed the test. Sleep, my love, you don't have to do anything. Sleep, my love, the world will keep turning, with or without you, for the next few hours. Sleep, my love, use your powers. Sleep, my love, your eyelids heavy. Sleep, my love, and the night ready to carry you through to the morning light. Sleep, my love, and you'll be alright. I'll keep singing softly until you can't hear me. I'll keep singing softly until your sleep is near me, and I can fade out into the silence. Sleep, my love, with my last whispered guidance. When you wake in the morning, you won't remember the exact moment when the ember of my voice was extinguished by your dreams arriving. Sleep, my love, and you'll be reviving. The room is silent except for my voice that's becoming quieter by my own choice. To match your breathing that's slowing down. Sleep, my love, with your gentle crown. Sleep, my love, for one more night. Sleep, my love, and it'll be alright. Tomorrow comes whether you sleep or not. Sleep, my love, and you've got. Sleep, my love, the dark holds you safe. Sleep, my love, and you'll be okay. Sleep, my love, you're drifting. Sleep, my love, the night lifting. Sleep, my love, sleep, my love, sleep, my love, sleep. When her voice meets the sunset, the sea turns soft and gold. Every table by the window keeps a little light to hold. She sings low over the water with a smile inside the sound. And the old cafe grows warmer when the evening settles down. When her voice meets the sunset, time goes slowly by. Amore mio, stay near me under the amber sky. When her voice meets the sunset, all the blue begins to glow. One sweet song, one soft moment, and the night moves slow. Coffee waits upon the table. Music drifts into the air. An old record keeps on turning, like a memory we share. By the harbor, lamps are waking in the windows one by one, and her melody is floating through the last light of the sun. When her voice meets the sunset, time goes slowly by. Amore mio, stay near me under the amber sky. When her voice meets the sunset, all the blue begins to glow. One sweet song, one soft moment, and the night moves slow. No sad goodbye, no lonely rain, just her warm voice again, again. One little smile, one glass of wine, the evening stays, and you are mine. When her voice meets the sunset, time goes slowly by. Amore mio, stay near me, under the amber sky. When her voice meets the sunset, all the blue begins to glow. One sweet song, one soft moment, and the night moves slow. When her voice meets the sunset, the sea turns soft and gold.